All right, here's a couple good questions. First one, position of an object moving a straight line is given by, so this is their position. Let me write that down. S is equal to 8t squared minus 7t, where S is meters, so it's how far something's moving, so that's the distance, and t is the time in seconds. So the question says, how far will an object move in 13 seconds? So then t is 13. So I'd go 8 times 13 squared minus 7 times 13. And that, let me just do that on a calculator. Okay, so it's 8 bracket 13 bracket squared minus 7 times 13 bracket 1261 right there. That's how far it will have traveled in 13 seconds. Here's another one. Here's a polynomial. It gives the approximate total earnings of a company in millions of dollars, where X is the number of years since 1996. And this model is valid for the years Determine the earnings for 1998. Oh. So this model is valid from 1996 to 2000. So I've got to figure out the earnings for 1998. So I have 1996, 1997, 1998, where X represents the number of years since 1996. So that would be 2 years. So X is 2. So then I would take my polynomial, 0.0033 x cubed plus 0.0039 x squared plus 0.182 x plus 1.72. I'd take that and I'd plug a 2 in everywhere I see an x. So 0.0332 cubed, 0.039 2 squared, 0.182 times 2 plus 1.72. And then just do that on your calculator. And it should come out to one of those answers. I'm not sure which one. I don't think it'd be much more than, I don't know, I'm having a hard time guessing between those which it would be. Anyway, do it on your calculator and you'll come up with one of those. Hopefully that helps you with those two questions.